Konnicheewa, my friends, and today we will do another international dish from Japan. Whoa! Homemade sushi, specially suitable for our pregnant ladies. No raw fish, only vegetables, avocado and red peppers. And you got it right, it's sushi. And I have good news for our pregnant ladies. This is no sushi with raw fish or something. This is sushi vegetarian style with avocado. So come closer and let's see what we need for this. It's not really much what we need. Talking about sushi with avocado, we will need avocado. I have taken two nice big pieces of avocado, each about 150 grams. We will certainly need the seaweed. We got two packages here. If you are not sure where to find them, try a big supermarket, and in the Asian corner I'm sure you will find this. As well as the soy sauce. We need this when we mix the soy sauce with wasabi. And of course a few ginger slices is always good for sushi. And finally we will need rice, about 1 kilogram, and this is actually the first step now. We will start cooking the rice in this beautiful rice cooker, and once the rice has cooled down we will continue with the next step. Okay, my friends, so you see we got here Italian Carnaroli rice. It's typically used for risotto, but I've tried it before. It also works well for sushi. And yeah, of course, if you got the Japanese rice available, even better, but Carnaroli rice is also good. As I said, 1 kilogram. And so we will use the same amount of water also. So if you got 1 kilogram of rice, we will add, you see here, 1 liter of water. And yeah, and so this will do the job for our sushi. Sushi, very popular finger food, or shall I say stick food? I don't know. We will find out at the end when we try this sushi. So now I will add this thing on top, and we will turn on the rice cooker. So this will have to boil for about 20 minutes, and then the rice will be ready. We let it cool down, and then we will roll the sushi. My friends, breaking news. So first of all, have a look at this. We have decided, in addition to avocado, we will also do sushi with peppers. Red peppers, yellow peppers, green peppers. And another breaking news. The rice has now cooked. It's ready to be rolled into sushi. Okay, so next step is I will cut this beautiful avocado into halves. Yeah. I will open this. Let's see if I'm able to do so. Yes. And now I will remove the skin, and then we will cut the avocado in stripes, similar as we have done with the peppers. You see, once it is halved, it's not too difficult to remove the skin. Actually, this seems to be slightly more difficult because this avocado is still very young and has not much short in. Oh, actually, yeah, we are there. You see, we are there. We can cut now into stripes. Okay, and we will make the stripes a little bit smaller, like this, so it will match into the soup. Okay, my friends, so you see avocado is cut in small slices. This is actually a little bit too big, but anyway, before we proceed, I will have to do a quality check, and I will sacrifice myself for that. Yeah, good job. Let's proceed. So what we do, we will take now one layer of the seaweed, place it here on this device. This is not the original one for sushi, but it works also with this. We will use this to roll. We'll put a little bit of water on it. No, actually not. We will first take some of this rice. And we will place this rice on the seaweed, but we have to ensure that we will press it very hard and dance on it, so it will stick together well while we roll it. So perhaps one more spoon, and that will do the job, I think. Yeah. So my fingers are washed, cleaned, sanitized, 100% hygiene, and I can feel the rice is still a little bit warm, but it should not be a big problem. Perhaps one more spoon. Yeah, I think I will add one more spoon of rice. So I must admit, it is the very first time I'm doing sushi, and so if I will succeed today, you will also succeed when you do it at home. Just follow the video process, learn from what I'm doing right and what I may also do wrong, and repeat or even do it better. Alright, so this is well pressed. Next step will be, I will be adding some of this avocado stripes, like this. Yeah. Perhaps a little bit more. And now I will start the rolling. Let's see. Carefully, carefully. Press very strongly. This will be my workout for today. And yeah, it feels good. I have a good feeling about this roll. So the first piece we will cut may not look perfect, but the second and the third one will. So I will now take a good knife, good sharp knife. I will first water it a little bit, so nothing will be sticky. The first one is for me, and the second one is for the photo. There we go. Look at this. Okay, my friends, so you see the first sushi. I think they came out well for the first try. So these are with red peppers, and the other ones with avocado. So let's move over to the next step. I will add a little bit of soy sauce, because we will use this to mix the wasabi. Soy sauce, hopla. Wasabi we got here. There we go. It's not toothpaste, my friends. This is wasabi. There we go. And we will also add a few slices of ginger. And then we are ready for the first check. Whoa! Homemade sushi, specially suitable for our pregnant ladies. No raw fish, only vegetables, avocado and red peppers. Okay, my friends, so yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. I think down there on this side you can subscribe to my channel. There will come many more videos. This is just really the very beginning. Also international dishes, Italian dishes. Also feel free to like, to share, to comment, to ask questions, whatever you want. And as you know, I'm a man of style, and I will eat with sticks, of course. There we go.
It's out. It's out.
And you know what? This is finger food. And I take some wasabi.